Hello friends, today we'll show you how to do basic beam deflection simulation in SolidWorks. Before going with simulation, we have created model of cantilever beam. We are taking the cross section of beam is hollow square. How giving the dimensions of side length is 200 millimeters. And intersection side is 100 millimeters. Now extrude this with 5000 millimeters. For open the simulation tab, click on SolidWorks Add-in and click on the SolidWorks Simulation. And after the simulation tab is enabled, click on this. Now click on New Study. We are going with static simulation. Click on Static. Now the static simulation is open. First select the material of beam. Right-click on Part. Click on Apply Materials. For this simulation we are going with stainless steel. Click on Apply and close the tab. This is a cantilever beam. We have to fix this beam at one side. For fixing, right-click on Fixtures and click on Fix Geometry. For fixing this side, select this. Now the time for applying force on beam. Go to the external load. Click on Force. We are applying a uniformly distributed load of 1000 newtons on this surface. For creating mesh, right-click on Mesh. Click on Create Mesh. Select the mesh density according to your system. Now mesh is generated successfully. Look at the quality of mesh. If you increase the density of mesh, then your answer accuracy is increasing. Click on Run this study and wait. This is our deflection. For checking the true deflection, click on Edit Definition and select True Scale. For obtaining the minimum and maximum deflection, click on Charts option and check this options. This are minimum and maximum values of deflection. For generating reports of simulation, click on Report and publish it. Now report is generating. Our simulation report is generated successfully. Thank you.